Welcome to the HMS installation tutorial of HMS field connector. This video will demonstrate how to assemble the HMS field connector, which is used for a single microinverter system. Before we start, check if the packaging of HMS field connector is complete. In this assembly, we will be using wire stripper, diagonal cutter, ferrule crimper, torque wrench, HMS disconnect tool, Phillips screwdriver. Other materials include 1.5 or 1.0 square millimeter AC cable and wire ferrules. Please note that the AC cable must have Cooper core and has an external diameter of 8 to 9.5 millimeters. Now, we're ready to go. Step 1. Disassemble the connector into the connector body, cover, gasket, claw, and nut. Put the parts over the cable in the correct order. Next, strip off 25 millimeters of the outer jacket with a diagonal cutter. And then strip the conductor insulation to 6 millimeters using a wire stripper. Insert the wires into the ferrules and crimp them tight with the ferrule crimper. Loosen screws on the connector with the Phillips screwdriver and fix all wires to the corresponding terminals according to the markings on the connector body. With a torque of 0.2 to 0.3 Newton meters, make sure that all L, N and PE lines are connected correctly and tightly. Then, push the cover into the connector body until you hear a click. Assemble the parts in sequence and firmly tighten the nut with 2.0 torque. You can also use the HMS disconnect tool to complete the assembly. Please note that the clearance of the screws should be no more than 1 millimeter. Plug the field connector into the output connector of the microinverter until you hear a click, and you will complete the connection to the microinverter. When all the work is done, don't forget to wire the trunk cable into the grid. If you need to disconnect them, you should first disconnect the grid and then use the HMS disconnect tool. Thanks for watching.